Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn off the active status on Instagram. After turning off your online status on Instagram, nobody can see you whether you are online or not. So it's a good feature in Instagram. So without any discussion, let's move to the video. Here, open the app first. Tap on the profile icon that is top right at the bottom corner. Now tap on the three vertical lines at the top right corner. Here you will see this interface where you can find several options like saved, RGB or activity, meta verified, account privacy, but you just need to search for messages and story replies option. Oh, it's here, so tap on it. And here you can see show activity status option. Tap on it and turn off the option of show activity status. This feature will allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see you when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.